To fix Snapchat messages not showing, follow these steps. First, ensure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and install any available updates. Next, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is necessary for Snapchat to function properly. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to resolve any connectivity issues. Now, restart your device. This will help resolve any temporary glitches that may be preventing Snapchat messages from showing. Press and hold the power button. Select Restart, and wait for your device to reboot. After restarting, check if the issue persists. If Snapchat messages are still not showing, try clearing the app's cache. For Android devices, go to Settings, then Storage, and select Snapchat. Choose Clear Cache and confirm. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and select Snapchat. Choose Offload App and confirm. Additionally, ensure that the person you are trying to communicate with has not blocked you. If they have, you will not be able to see their messages. You can try contacting them through a different platform to confirm. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app. This will remove any corrupted files that may be causing the problem. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and select Uninstall. Then, install the app again and log into your account. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Snapchat messages not showing and resume using the app as normal. Remember to always keep your app updated and maintain a stable internet connection to prevent similar issues in the future.